Tokslaboss in the building. Boss babes, stand up, yeah. Africa to the world, let's glow. Stepping out fresh, she don't need a crown. Glow on her face, yeah, she run this.
Hey bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tokslaboss. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review from LaBoss Beauty hair. I'm going to be reviewing this bob. If this is something that you might absolutely love, you got to keep on watching the video to see everything you need to know about this bob. Without further ado, let's get right into my video. Let's get it.
One life to live, but that's why me I go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me no turn on me hard. Man live without limit. Man in it to win it. Live without limit. Yeah.
I'm reviewing LaBoss Beauty wig today. I'm happy to do that. Okay, so pretty much on LaBoss Beauty website, they have various of colors, which I'll show you. But the unit that I'm reviewing today is this 8 inches. I know, crazy, right? But when the hair is too long, it's just overpowering. So I feel like I can never do so much with it. So the 8 inches allowed me to do a lot. The 8 inches was pre-plugged. Here you order on the website would be pre-plugged and ready to go. So you pretty much just pull it out the bag and rock it. So this is how it is, a semi-middle part. And it has a band in it, of course. It has like 2 combs on the side right here. So you got that. How the unit look inside. Just like that with the middle part. That's perfected. So which is really good. And this is the unit. Came out of the bag, cut and everything and ready to go. You just put it on and rock out. So of course you always got to add your foundation shade in the middle part right there. You got to add that so the middle part will look as natural as possible. And at the edges of the unit, even though it's a 13 by 6, you have covering all around your head, so you won't feel insecure when the wind blows it up. So yeah, let's see how it looks on. Oh, by the way, if I didn't let you bosses know, the wig also came with a stocking cap for you to be able to put your unit on. So here we go. I just wanted a nice little bob that reflected me right now. That's where I'm at. I'm about going into the foundation and adding a little bit. So look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, just a cute little middle part. Bobbiana. Definitely have me loving middle parts again. And you want to put heat in it? It's 100% human here. And I absolutely love it. The hair is soft. Just perfect. You just put it on and you're out the door. You're doing too much. I know I don't. I don't want to have to do too much. I really don't. Y'all, if I didn't tell y'all, this unit is actually 1 bead. Put this bob on and I'm out the door. But yeah, overall, I love this bob so much. That's why I wanted to share with you, Boss Babe. So if you like this bob, make sure to check out the description down below. And also you can use the discount code right now that's happening on the website. So check it out, check it out, check it out. Now for all my girlies that just love a good Bobbiana, love a good short bob, this bob is literally calling your name. Look at this. Look at this. If you get the unit, you can comb it forward or you can comb it backwards. But other than that, you can do whatever you want with this bob. It is superb. Head over to LaBossBeauty.com to get it. And also, before I leave this video, I just want you bosses to know LaBoss Beauty also have various of colors in this bob. Will not be disappointed. For all my girlies, for all the personalities that we girlies have, you have a bob that's definitely matching your personality. Okay, thank you bosses so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed this wig review, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I love a good thumbs up. Not to mention, leave me some hearts down below, and don't forget to come back again. That I appreciate. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you bosses so much. God bless. Bye bye.
African queen with the golden touch.